Great lighting doesn't have to drain your wallet. Upgrade your video production without breaking the bank. In this video, we shine a light on 5 lighting options that deliver professional results at consumer prices. From compact on-camera lights to powerful LED panels, these affordable luminaires provide the cinematic effects you crave. Let's discover how to illuminate your shots like the pros on a budget under $100. The VGIM VL120 is designed with 120 energy-saving SMD LED bulbs that provide soft, even lighting and accurate color temperature rendition. It has a built-in 3100 mAh rechargeable battery for up to 150 minutes of continuous operation, and can even be used while charging via the convenient Type-C port. Adjust the color temperature from 3200K to 6500K, and brightness from 10% to 100% with a single dial. The included silicone cover diffuses the light beautifully for natural-looking illumination. Plus, it comes with 6 color filters to enhance creative possibilities. At under $50, this lightweight, versatile LED light is an affordable must-have accessory for improving videos and photos.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Light up your shots with the Neewer 176 LED video light. With 176 long-lasting LED bulbs, it provides a wide 1320 lumen lighting range at a daylight-balanced 5600K. Adjust the brightness from 10% to 99% with a simple dial twist. It universally mounts to any hot shoe, tripod, or light stand. Power options include Sony NP-F, 550 or 750 or 970 batteries or DC power. Everything needed is included in the kit: light, battery plate, power adapter, hot shoe mount, filters, carrying bag, and more. The digital display gives accurate parameter readouts for precision control. At under only $50, this dimmable 176 LED light kit is ideal for DSLR and digital video use. The durable construction and versatile functionality make it a budget-friendly studio must-have. The Neewer YN300 III LED video light panel provides serious illumination at an affordable price. It uses 300 high-quality large-chip LED bulbs for bright, even 5600K daylight output. Adjust brightness smoothly with the digital dimmer knob. The stable light efficiency rate hits 93% thanks to a professional LED driver chip. Power options include a Sony NP or AC adapter. The kit includes a convenient 2.4G wireless remote to control on-off and dimming from up to 15 meters away. It also has an insertable color temperature filter system for adapting to different shooting environments. Automatic brightness memory when powered down saves your last used setting. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, the durable metal housing mounts to any stand. For under $100, this is a versatile portable LED panel that makes videos shine. Incredibly compact yet mighty powerful, the Aputure MC RGBWW LED light belies its small credit card-sized footprint. This advanced RGBWW chipset produces impeccable CRI TLCI scores over 96. The redesigned lightweight metal housing includes built-in magnets and mounts for placing anywhere. Its 9 dynamic lighting FX modes add creative possibilities. Control HSI, CCT, FX, and more wirelessly via Bluetooth with the Sidus Link app and unlock the MC's full potential. Features include precision color temperature adjustment from 3200K 6500K, hue adjustment across 360 degrees, FX parameter control, and unique color picker sampling. Convenient connectivity includes USB-C PD and Qi wireless charging. Weighing only 130 grams, This tiny titan combines limitless lighting effects and an ultimate color rendition for just at $90. Here's our wrap-up powerful video light, the Zhiyun 5-Ray M40. It packs impressive lighting capabilities into a compact 5.5-inch metal frame, weighing just 0.71 pounds. It boasts 176 high CRI LED chips with a wide 2700K 6500K color temperature range. Control brightness and color temp precisely with dual wheels. Plus, it has an advanced Dynavort cooling system that leverages gyro modeling and smart algorithms to prevent overheating. And its multi-angle stand allows 360-degree positioning. PD fast charging enables continuous 1.5-hour runtime at a max of 10 watts power. Despite its portable size, the M40 competes with larger LED panels. Unleash professional studio lighting in the palm of your hand for under $99. With its rechargeable design, this portable powerhouse empowers content creators to light up scenes anytime, anywhere. So those were the 5 affordable video lights under $100. Do let us know what you think of these video lights, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.